Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. First of all, right click the empty space on your desktop and then select Personalize. Then navigate down to Background and open this menu, and then here, by expanding this list, you can select one of 4 available options to set as your device's wallpaper. For example, you can choose picture, then you can select one of the recent images. If you haven't set any wallpaper on your computer before, the recent images will be the default Microsoft images, and you can choose any of them to be your device's wallpaper. You can also choose a photo from your file explorer by selecting browse photos and then go into the folder where you store your photos. And you can also choose a fit for your desktop image by selecting by expanding this list and selecting one value from it. Alternatively, you can select solid color and set a single color as your device's background, and you can also create a custom color by clicking View Colors next to Custom Colors. Then just select the color that you need, select the intensity of the color, and then click down to apply and set this color as your wallpaper. The third option is Slideshow, and if you want to use a slideshow, you're gonna have to select a folder with photos from your file explorer by clicking Browse and selecting such a folder, and then you can also change the picture switching frequency by expanding this list and selecting one value from it. You can shuffle the picture order by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also let the slideshow run when your laptop runs on battery power by switching this toggle to the right. And so just like with the photos option, you can choose a fit for your photos by expanding this list and selecting a value from it. And the last option is Windows Spotlight, which puts a random Microsoft wallpaper on your device's desktop and a lock screen that changes every once in a while. There is a bunch of different photos and they also update from time to time. You can learn more about the picture you see on the screen by clicking this icon. And so that's basically all the options that you have. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.